Aging of the skin is a natural process by which the collagen and elastin, that keep our skin looking firm and youthful, begin to decline, which results in wrinkles. Cell production and cell quality also diminish over time, resulting in wrinkles. These factors unfortunately are out of our control. Though diet and supplements can slow down the process, it won't stop it. The influences that are within our control are largely environmental, such as pollution, e.g. smoking and sun damage. In today's video, you will learn about the 20 easy ways to reduce wrinkles and slow down the aging process. 1. Stop smoking, it's number 1 for a reason. 2. Always wear sunscreen whether it's cloudy or sunny, and don't sunbake. 3. Hydrate your skin by drinking about 8 glasses of water a day. 4. Use skincare products that contain antioxidants and AHAs. 5. Moisturize the skin on your face twice daily. 6. Reduce stress. Try reading, exercising, meditating. 15 minutes a day is a good start. 7. Reduce alcohol consumption. Overindulging can put enormous strain on your system and will accelerate wrinkles forming. 8. Eat healthily by incorporating plenty of fruits and vegetables in your daily diet. 9. Sleep at least 8 hours every night. 10. Eat fish 3 times a week. Great for the skin and general health. 11. Check with your doctor about taking supplements. Your diet may be lacking some of the important ones. 12. Use an eye cream for the delicate skin around the eyes nightly. 13. Facial scrubs remove the buildup of dead cells that can increase the appearance of wrinkles. Try this weekly. 14. Use natural skincare products that will nourish your skin and give it lots of vitamins and minerals to help it stay fresh and healthy. 15. Jojoba oil resembles the skin's natural oils. Dab this around the eyes to keep wrinkles at bay. 16. Take vitamin C supplements and use products that contain vitamin C. It will help boost your collagen. 17. Start a good skincare routine in your 20s. Prevention is easier than cure. 18. Honey is known worldwide for its beneficial abilities. Use a honey mask weekly. Simply apply the honey to your face and neck and leave for 30 minutes, then rinse off. This mask will feed your skin with nutrients. 19. Aloe vera and avocado oil both have the ability to prevent the skin from drying out. They are both used to improve the elasticity of the skin. 20. A soothing way to help achieve a wrinkle-free face is to lie on your back with your knees elevated by placing a pillow or cushion beneath them. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. And also leave a comment below that you have subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.